MEBEL 2023, the largest exhibition of interior and design. 1,100 participating companies from 11 countries. To show the latest ARISTO products to the public, we created a stand with an area of 150 square meters. Now let's go over the most amazing, fascinating, astonishing novelties of this year. Let's start with a new product in the standard system, our vertical profile Obverse. It has a bewelled front side, but another highlight is that we can place the vertical profile with back flat side facing out, different colors. Interesting narrow profile design. This is the narrowest vertical profile in the standard system for now, only 20 millimeters wide. Another interesting accessory in our storage system is a mirror, but that's not all. In fact, we present profile 289 here in glossy white color. This is a new product. Not only can we use this profile to make a mirror in our storage room, but it can also be used for pivot facades with an insert made of glass, a mirror 4 millimeters thick. Different color variation, including the popular gold color. We have new items in our storage system. The holder for vacuum cleaner pipes are already in stock. The novelty of this year is the Wave Max system, a narrow L-shaped profile, unique in its own kind on the market. The profile is thickened, has additional stiffening ribs. Because of the profile parameters, we can now manufacture a narrow profile sliding system of a large size. The maximum door height is 3,200 millimeters, and the maximum width is 1,200 millimeters, with 3 installation options. We can install a hidden top track in the door opening, in the body, or leave a visible top track. Our shelf system is presented in black color, 3 installation options, a very durable, vertical, load-bearing profile, and here we have the collection of our MDF facades. Another new item we present to you this year is an overhead handle, suitable for the wave decor systems. It can be installed in the standard system with a vertical profile Obverse and can also be used in a 4-in-1 system. Accessories for perforated panel is a great new product as well. Various holders for screwdrivers, keys, and just universal holders. For example, we can use these hooks together with a perforated panel for hanging accessories or equipment, headphones, or anything else. You can completely fill the sections with a perforated grid from the floor to the ceiling and install different hooks and shelves here. Another new addition to the storage room is the under-mirror shelf. We can use it this way, for example, or we can rearrange it the opposite way. And here we have another new product hidden. This is a universal iron holder, and here you can hang an ironing board. It is very convenient. Attention! Here we present to you our new top hung system without a bottom track. Free movement between the zones. Narrow profile, only 12 millimeters wide. The system is called Grace. Another highlight is that when we fold the doors completely, they then become one plane, and we can install a multi-sequential synchronous opening mechanism here. The doors open or close synchronously one after another. The maximum door size, as usual, is at the ARISTO level, height 3,200 millimeters, width 1,200 millimeters. This is a unique offer found on the market. This year, we have shown you and presented to you a lot of new items for a storage system. Pay attention to the facades with the pull-out frame and basket. Decor series comes in 3 colors: dark wood, light wood, and white wood. There are different sizes. Baskets with a height of 85 millimeters, 185 and 285 millimeters. All the sizes. For an aesthetic design, we place a stationary decor shelf on top or our magnificent accessory shelf. The top shelf is made of tempered glass, but it can also be a decor shelf if you wish. These elements can only be pulled out with a soft closer. The soft closer is concealed. The basket can support up to 30 kilograms of weight. A special frame was developed for the facades to easily assemble all the elements of the storage system as you're used to doing it. And here I want to show you another great addition to our storage system. It is hooks. We use it for its intended purpose. A bicycle holder, we use one holder for one bicycle. The rest of the hooks are universal metallic color. And pay attention to the rubberized surface of the hook. We made it this way specifically so that the elements do not slip. Each hook can support 23 kilograms of weight. At ARISTO, everything is durable and reliable. 2 installation options are available. We can install a bearing track on the wall, while you can easily move the hooks or remove them. Transform this composition to suit your current everyday needs, and the hook can also be directly attached to the wall. And now let us dive into the atmosphere of the dressing room. Look at this great example. Let's come inside. Here we have the Edge system. Aluminum profile shelves with LED lighting, or Edge aluminum rods, and super new items for filling wardrobes and closets. 5 options for pull-out elements with a soft closer. 3 options for their widths. Modules 600, 800, and 900 millimeters. Everything is of high quality and very ergonomic. It's easy to hang your trousers. Organizers. Shelf. The bottom is made of Eco leather. Hidden rail with a soft closer. The basket is 186 millimeters high, also made of Eco leather. And now let me show you another great new product. Storage trays and organizers that we can use in absolutely any dressing room. Different sizes. Pay attention to the even lines. Eco leather and velvet, very convenient to put on a shelf, put in a section, or move to an island in the dressing room. Here we have trays for various purposes. Excellent quality, straight stitches. Lining on all sides. And for different applications. Holders for jewelry, rings, earrings, universal pads for watches, and bracelets. With the help of organizers of different sizes, we can arrange any storage area of any size. Corner version of the 4-in-1 top hung system, with the left and right doors being synchronized. The movement occurs simultaneously. We also installed a multi-sequential synchronous opening mechanism on the right and left doors, so the doors, left and right, simultaneously roll behind each other. Another new feature, the outer door in the system can not only be stationary, but also active. Let's go, I'll show you. Previously, when using a multi-sequential synchronous door opening mechanism, the outer door was always static. We suppressed its movement, and now we can make the outer door active, movable. Regardless of the number of other doors. This was made possible thanks to an additional profile we installed. GOLA profile, the novelty of this year. Mortise profile for upper modules for panel thickness of 16 or 18 millimeters. The diffuser color is in white and black color. The GOLA profile is available both vertical for pencil cases and under the tabletop, L-shaped and U-shaped. The new Intuit system for pivot facades. Vertical profile width is 16 millimeters. Please note that this profile is brushed and it is very delicate. There is a convenient recess installed in this profile so as not to use front fittings, to ensure that this design is truly minimalistic and modern. We cling with our fingers and open the facade. The facade can be very large, 2,600 millimeters in height and 600 millimeters wide. Another advantage of these facades is that we use the standard 35-cup hinges for installation. You don't need any special ones for that. As for the widths, there are 5 sizes, and you can make this facade vertical or horizontal. And here I'd like to showcase a completely new cubist system. Our profile, our components, a very durable system, but the main advantage is in the profile fastening. As you know, in many other similar systems, a lot of different components are required to assemble it for connecting different numbers of different profiles. But our cube itself is the connector. It is universal. It reduces assembly time significantly and minimizes complaints if we accidentally ordered the wrong fittings. ARISTO, we're always on the move.